This $1 product can beat half of your skincare routine. And I swear, bro, try just 2 of these Vaseline tricks and you're gonna look more attractive by tomorrow morning. Most guys have Vaseline at home, it's literally sitting somewhere, but they have no idea how powerful this tiny jar actually is. Today I'm giving you 7 Vaseline tricks that'll make your face cleaner, your skin smoother, your glow stronger, basically your whole appearance goes up. And these aren't fake internet tips, these actually work in real life. Alright, let's start because trick 1 is something every dude deals with. Let's be honest, bro, your lips matter more than you think. You can go to the gym, wear a clean outfit, get a haircut, but if your lips are dry, cracked, white, your whole face looks dead. And don't lie, you've had those days where you talk to someone and suddenly realize your lips feel like sandpaper. So here's what actually works. Before you sleep, take a tiny bit of Vaseline, not a thick layer, not lip gloss, just a light coat. When you wake up, your lips are soft, smooth, and actually look alive instead of crusty. Do this for even 2 nights, you'll see the difference instantly. And if your lips are extra crusty, this next one is for you. Trick 2, you ever wake up and your lips look crispy? Yeah, we all get that. So here's what I do, and this works fast. Take a little bit of Vaseline, add 1 drop of coconut oil if you have it. Now grab a soft toothbrush and gently scrub your lips for 10 to 15 seconds. Don't scrub like you're sanding wood, bro. Dead skin comes off, blood flow increases, your lips look smoother and a little pink. This is the trick I use before recording, before going out, before meeting someone. Do this once and you'll see the difference immediately. Trick 3, bro, if there's one area that exposes you instantly, it's your under eyes. One late night and boom, your under eyes snitch on you. That dull, tired look kills your whole face. So before you sleep, take just a tiny amount of Vaseline and dab it under your eyes. Not too much. Don't turn into a samosa. This locks in moisture overnight and helps the skin recover. Next morning, you look fresher, less tired, less dry. Try this a few nights and tell me it doesn't help. Speaking of small details that change your whole face, let's fix your brows. Trick 4, before you roll your eyes, no, this isn't girly. Your eyebrows literally frame your whole face. If they're messy, you look messy. If they're clean, your face instantly looks sharper. Take a tiny bit of Vaseline, warm it between your fingers, run it through your eyebrows. It sets them in place and makes your face look tidy without trying too hard. Whatever is left on your fingers, swipe it on your eyelashes. Makes them look healthier, not fake, just better. These tiny details sound stupid, but they make a big difference. Alright, now let's talk about your glow. Trick 5, some mornings you look in the mirror and think, why do I look so dull today? No shine, no freshness, just tired. So here's the fix. Take a very tiny bit of Vaseline, dab it on your cheekbones and nose bridge. Not too much or you'll look like a buttered paratha. Just a little tap. Instantly your skin looks fresher and more alive. I do this before going out, before shooting videos, or whenever I need some life on my face. Trick 6, tell me if this sounds familiar. You get ready, you spray your cologne, you step out, and the smell is gone. That is the most annoying thing ever. So here's how to make your perfume last twice as long. Before spraying, take a little Vaseline and rub it on your wrists and neck. Thin layer. Don't make your neck shiny like a donut. Now spray your perfume on top. That's it. Vaseline holds the scent longer and releases it slowly. I'm talking double or triple the lasting power. Even cheap body sprays smell expensive with this trick. Try this before a date or gym session. People will notice your scent. Alright, last trick. And this is something every guy ignores. Trick 7, your dry spots. Dry elbows, cracked heels, rough knees. These small things make you look kind of sloppy. You can have a nice outfit, but if your elbows look like broken chalk, the vibe dies. So before you sleep, rub a small amount of Vaseline on your elbows, heels, knees, and cuticles. Not a thick layer, just enough to coat. Next morning, everything feels smoother and more taken care of. Do this a few nights and you'll look cleaner without even... Alright bro, those were the 7 Vaseline tricks. And here's the funny part. Most guys will still ignore this and keep wasting money on expensive products. So tell me, are you actually going to try any of these? Or did you just watch the video for vibes? If you try even 2 tricks for 1 week, you will look cleaner, fresher, and more attractive. People will notice. Drop a comment. Which trick are you trying first? And if you want more real, no BS grooming tips, hit that subscribe button. We're leveling up together, bro.